In this video, we will learn how to make attendance sheet in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I have a total 18 employees name. I'm doing the attendance here Monday to Saturday and total attendance. So let's start how it's done. First select the cell range of days. Okay, then click on the insert options. Then click on the checkbox. You get here the checkbox in all day. Now select the cell of total attendance. Click on the formula bar is equal to count if in bracket the range of the cell, then comma, write it true, bracket close, and just enter. Now drag this formula below cell. Okay. Now just tick here. You can see here in total attendance, it's get total number of day present of every employee. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.